case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1964, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit presided over a case that would shed light on the taxation of non-cash compensation. The case, United States v. Frazell, concerned oil and gas prospect William Frazell and his entanglement with the Internal Revenue Code of 1954. In an intricate compensation scheme, Frazell received 6,500 shares of W.W.F Corporation stock, valued at $91,000. This was in return for his services in a joint venture for oil exploration. Upon receiving this non-cash compensation, Frazell did not include it in his 1955 income tax return. Instead, he cited a tax-free exchange per Section 351A of the Internal Revenue Code of 1954. The district court, however, had a different interpretation of the law. Agreeing that Section 351A applied, they ruled that though non-cash, compensation for services was taxable as ordinary income. Therefore, Frazell's stocks should have been included in his income tax return. The court decided that taxable income was determined by the market value of the transferred capital interest at the point of rendering past services. Thus, Frazell's interest received for his work on the oil venture in November 1955 was tagged as ordinary income. This would have been taxable in the year he received the stocks. The subsequent termination of his contract did not alter the tax implications, but there was a twist. Some of Frazell's compensation could have been tied to his contribution of valuable oil maps to the venture. The lower court emphasized that the portion of the property relating to the maps would not be taxable in 1955. Still, it behooved them to establish whether the maps were Frazell's personal property or contributed to the venture. If the latter, they also had to establish their value at the time of contribution. A remanded case saw the lower court tasked with finding answers to these questions and producing a value for the maps. Should they be found to have been contributed, value established, any amount exceeding that value up to $91,000 would be taxable as ordinary income to Frazell. A case that highlighted the subtleties of taxation, making it abundantly clear that compensations beyond cash are not beyond the taxman's reach.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.